Hello, my name is Sikipay S. Matano. Our topic for today is all about you must think first before you click. The internet, also known as the World Wide Web, can be found anywhere and everywhere nowadays. The use of internet and social media have already been a need in our society. Some people cannot live without the internet because it's very useful at work, in school, or even in a socialism. We use the internet to voice out our opinions and speak our minds, communicate with friends and families, especially when they are overseas, and a lot more things we can do with the internet and social media. The internet is no doubt the most powerful and influencing media today, but as users and having the freedom in the internet, do we know our responsibilities for every words we say or things we put on the internet? Life is a full of decisions. One decision can either break or make our life or someone's life. Decisions come hand in hand with our actions are we should take this with full responsibility. Every day we face circumstances where our right decisions and actions are needed, and one of the things that we do that requires proper decisions and action is using the internet or browsing through social media. Despite all this, sometimes as a user, we get caught up to the idea of using the internet or social media as a place where we can share and voice out our opinions, and though not thinking the effects and consequences of doing so. There are things we do in the internet that is not considerably right or should not be done and accepted. First, some people tend to share their opinions and thoughts online not considering the feelings and thoughts of other people or their audience. Some just ignore the fact that everyone has feelings and simple word can make them smile or destroy their day and even worse their reputations. Some people also tend to make up comments and judge situations online without knowing the exact stories behind what they say, see, or the meaning of what they see online. We should always consider and take time to realize that the people we tend to hurt or give comments about the internet are also human beings that have feelings and can be hurt. Another mistake some people do online is posting things that is more than what they should share, resulting to regrets in the future. An example of this matter is broadcasting inappropriate materials, information, and even fake news for other people to see. Materials with explicit content that a teenager or a child should not see or experience. Third, in using the internet or any social media outlets, we must also remember to protect our privacy as a user and as a human being. Posting every activity we do or everything about us is not fun as we think. By doing this, we give people with bad intention access to our life, and they might use the things we post online against us. In doing so, we as users of the internet put our own safety at a risk and danger. Fourth, people nowadays, especially teenagers, value in a relationship online more than social interaction or communication face to face. We get so caught up or making relationships and interaction online that we forget to even simply talk or have conversation with our parents and family and even the people we meet in a real life. Also, we are sometimes consumed with the use of internet that we neglect to do things that are way more important than the virtual form. We get so distracted by the internet and different social media that we do not see the importance of the things around us, even the simple ones. Some people make actions and decisions online that not only destroy other people's reputation but even their own. People nowadays choose to make actions that spread negative and hate instead of spreading happiness and love. Think before you click has been the strongest advice people keep giving to netizens, especially teenagers, in order to prevent them online. It helps in making people limit whatever they post on the web and the cautions about what they share to the public. It also aims to inspire others to be responsible when using the internet and for people to reflect among themselves their decisions online and how it will affect others. The concerns about people sharing personal information and photos in social media is increasing. That's why people are being encouraged to use anonymous usernames, user handles that are not close enough to their true names or not using their full name. The internet is now dubbed a very important and powerful tool we use in our lives in the present, and undeniably, we as internet users have the freedom to do whatever we wish on the World Wide Web, but we must always remember our limitation and the effects of it not only for yourself as a netizen, but also for other people and fellow internet. We should also strive to make the online world healthier, gentler, and more loving world. Remember, in every action there is always a consequence, so we must always keep in mind that when using the internet or any form of social media, you must think before click. Before you say or do something in the internet on our social medias, always remember to stop and process how other people would you feel about what you are not about to say, do. Always remember to stay ethical on the internet and always be responsible for your action. Make the internet a place where love and peace make people united and place everyone can have the without hurting others, not a place where humanity is divided because of hatred, fear, and evil. As a responsible citizen and as a user of the internet, let us strive to be the solution, not to be a part of problem. In line with this, one way to be ethical in the World Wide Web can to the internet is through the guidance of their core rules of etiquette. In using the internet, it's very important to think before you click with keeping the core rules of etiquette in mind. Thank you.